Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 31,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and smartphone integration.